back, everybody. We are at it again. We're doing another product review, and it's going to be on this, and I have no idea what it is because I keep getting boxes for these things. So let's open it up. Let's see what it is, and we'll go from there. Oh, okay. So this is by SANSI. I'm a big fan of SANSI lighting. I do a lot of reviews for them, and they have a lot of great products that I literally support them because I do believe in LED as an alternative to fluorescent lighting, which I've used fluorescent, metal halide, I've used regular incandescent, of course LED, and now these modern LEDs that they got now that are specifically designed for growing, and pretty much that's what this is. So let's open this up. Let's just do an unboxing for now and see what this is. Okay, so you get your little dingly danglies, the bing-a-da-bang-a-da-boom. More bing-a-da-bang-a-da-booms. You get some tie-dyes and what else we got here? Oh, look at that. You get these things, all kinds of things falling out of there. So let's see, let's open that up, take a look at the rest of it, and then we'll see if we can figure out how to put it together. I've seen this before, and so what this is it has a stand that goes to it. I think that's what this is. This whole thing is really, I think, just a stand. Okay, so it's going to come like this. And you're going to get your thing like this, and you're just going to take that off. Take that off. Don't throw any of this stuff out. Always hold on to this in case you got to return it. You get a lid. I'm assuming the lid stays on there like that. You get some more thingamajingies. You get a little bag like this. Now in general, you should be able to put this together without looking at it, but sometimes I got to cheat. Okay, so you get a power supply, and you get a pump. Oh, what is this thing? What did I get here? I don't even know what I got here. I thought they were sending me something else. They sent me something completely different. Oh, you know what this is? I'm sorry, guys. I'm reviewing stuff. I don't even know what it is. Oh, this is a great little product. I don't even know what I'm reviewing anymore. I'm reviewing so many items these days. Oh, I got to put this whole thing together. Look at that. You get this. Okay, so what you're going to get in this box, we'll talk about what it is in a minute. There's really no pictures in here or nothing. There's nothing in here for me to show you what it looks like. There's just this. And so this is what it looks like. So it's basically a little kitchen top, countertop grow system. And I've been looking to actually get one of these because I was going to do a video on the kitchen grow. So you can grow your basic. So for example, you get your lid like this. You can grow your lettuce in here. I do the microdwarf tomatoes, so I could do a lettuce, maybe 2 microdwarf tomatoes. I could do scallions in here. Guys, scallions are great if you have problems with onions. Scallions are a good alternative to that, scallions or chives or that kind of thing. So I was thinking on doing a lettuce or 1 or 2 lettuces, and you do like a leaf lettuce so you can pull the leaves off. Then you do like 2 tomatoes, a scallion, and you can do a basil in there. And that's what I'm going to end up doing. So we're probably going to do a follow-up video on this, to be honest with you. Oh, I didn't know what this was. I thought they were sending me something else. They were supposed to send me another light where it's like a thing that hangs down. I don't know. That's weird. They sent me this instead. I didn't even know they had this. Oh, that's cool. That's great. No, I'm going to be... now I'm excited to look at this. All right, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put this all together, and then I'll show it to you assembled, and then we'll go from there. And I can, show you what it's going to look like and plug it in and everything. I'm going to put this together, see what it is. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is it. This is basically what it looks like once it's pre-assembled. It looks just like that. Look, you can even see me. You can even see me on the inside. This is it, guys. This is fantastic. Look at this. You can grow 6 plants in here, right? Just give you an idea. That's what it looks like. Let me turn the light on it. Well, first there's a power button up here. There's 3 buttons on top. There's a power button. right? You know, it's a touch sensitive button, so you just touch it. And the next is the light. Okay, so you can see the light. Look how bright that is. That's gorgeous. And then there's a third button, which I don't know what that is. I think that turns the pump on. I don't know. I have to find out what that third button. There's a third button, but this one controls the light. That might be a timer. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how that works. And you could just turn the power off and you're good. Boop. And that's it. And it's very easy to put together. Now, I didn't fully assemble this. I just kind of put it together really quick. I don't want to put all the screws in. I'm going to do another video on how to assemble this. So look forward to that video. I'm going to show you how to assemble it. This is also adjustable right here. You could just loosen this up here like so. And you can come all the way up. When your plants get bigger, you can just raise it up. Or if you want, you can just lower it down. Basically, it comes with these 3 cones on the inside. They're hydroponics, so they just sit in there. There's a water level that you got to put regular water in here. I do recommend only using distilled water for this. I don't recommend tap water. And then inside of this cone comes basically their wicking material that they use for the hydroponics, and the roots grow through these. So you're going to have to buy these, or you might be able to supplement that with rock wool if you don't want to use these. Now, I could do a video on how to make rock wool inserts for this, but you could probably buy these directly on SANSI's website. Again, I'll leave links below. They're just little cones. It's probably a one-time use. The plant grows in it, the roots grow out of it, and then from that point forwards, once it's done, then you have to remove it and chuck it out, and you got to start with a new cone. Now, basically, the inside of this is just what you see here. It's got a little lid. There's a little door on it. Let me just get this out of here. So a little door on it here for you to fill it with water. Like they make it so you can put water in there. It's very good that they make it tight like this, because fruit flies, if you got them in the house, they're going to get in there and they're going to cause you problems. Basically, it's just an empty reservoir inside. It's just a pail. And then they give you a little pump like this, which is no big deal. You just unplug it. Here's the pump. Just a little tiny little potent pump. That's all it is. Unplug that. There's 2 little things on the side. You plug the power supply in and you can plug the pump. Doesn't matter which side you go in. It'll work on either side. And that's basically what that is. And they also give you the nutrients for your hydroponic setup, an A and a B setup. They appear to be like a crystalline stuff, so it's actually quite accurate. Whereas the liquids can tend to be inaccurate because you got to constantly make sure they're mixed and stuff like that. But they give you this, and basically that's all it is. You're rock and roll. So I'm going to do 2 more videos on this. I'm going to do a setup video on how to assemble it and put it together for, maybe somebody who's maybe not inclined to put it together and they're a little confused, or maybe there's not enough directions. I'll do an assembly video for this. I'm going to take this all apart, put it back together, and then I'm going to do a follow-up video once I get stuff growing and the stuff is growing in there. We're definitely going to use this. Now, the only thing about this, as you can see here, it kind of rocks around a little bit because the bottom is kind of like soft and round. So I might want to add a couple of little of those. I think they call them either a piece of weather stripping or something on the bottom, just to make sure it stabilizes and it's not rocking around. But outside of that, everything's gorgeous in here. And that's that. That's what you're looking at. I'll plug it in one more time really quick just to show you what it looks like with the light on. You can plug this into any hole. Any hole will do. And there you go. And you got a water level in the front, so you can fill it up with water. You know how much water's in it. Very easy to clean. Everything on here seems to be high quality. It's made of plastic. This is plastic. This is metal. All the screws that they supply to this, they're either stainless steel or brass. All these little screws. All those screws are either stainless. There's nothing on here that's iron as far as I can see. Maybe just these. I don't know. But nothing's going to get rusty and nasty in here. It's going to remain pretty nicely. And we're definitely going to go and review this. So yeah, I'm very excited. I didn't know they even sent this to me. They sent me, apparently what they did was they sent me 2 products. They sent me that, and then they sent me this. And I'm not sure what this is. This is these are like 2 lights. I think there's a stand that comes with it. I don't have the stand. Anyway, guys, that's it. Look forward to the other videos. I'll leave a link in the description where you could buy this on SANSI, as well as hopefully I can get you a discount. That'll also be down in the description below. That way you can get yourself a little discount. This is a great little device. This is a very popular thing now. A lot of people are going to these kitchen devices. They're getting to be very, very popular, and I'm glad that SANSI sent me one to actually do a review on, and maybe we can grow some stuff out in here and see how it looks. Okay, so that's it, your review on the SANSI growing system. Look forward to the other 2 videos that are coming out. I'm going to do 2 more follow-up videos. You will see the discounts in the links below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.